जी करे देखता रहूं।
क्या?
कितना प्यारा तुझे रब ने बनाया, कितना प्यारा तुझे रब ने बनाया। जी कर देखता रहूं, कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया, कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया। जी कर देखता रहूं। रब ने बनाया, जी कर देखता रहूं, कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया। जी कर देखता रहूं। अंबर से आई है परियों की रानी, देख जिसे होती है सबको हैरानी। ओ अंबर से आई है परियों की रानी, देख जिसे होती है सबको हैरानी। सुंदर सा मुखड़ा है फूलों के जैसा, होगा ना दुनिया में कोई ऐसा।
कितना सीधा, कितना सच्चा मेरा राजा, कितना अच्छा। मुझको तो अच्छी लगती है तेरी हर नादानी, मुझको तो रब ने बनाया। जी कर देखता रहूं, कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया। जी कर देखता रहूं। कोयल के जैसी है तेरी ये बोली, मूरत के जैसी है सूरत ये भोली। ओ कोयल के जैसी है तेरी ये बोली, मूरत के जैसी है सूरत ये भोली। बागों में जाओ ना दिल मेरा घबराए, पैरों में कांटा कोई हाय न चुभ जाए। मैं दीवानी हो ना जाऊं, तेरी बातों में खो ना जाऊं। उड़ता बादल बहता पानी बोले रुत मस्तानी, उड़ता बादल बहता पानी बोले रुत मस्तानी।
क्या?
सबसे प्यारा मेरा यारा राजा हिंदुस्तानी।
तुझे रब ने बनाया, कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया, जी कर देखता रहूं।
तू है पागल, तू है जोकर, तू है दिलबर जानी, सबसे प्यारा मेरा यारा राजा हिंदुस्तानी।
इतना प्यारा तुझे रब ने बनाया, जी कर देखता रहूं। जी करे देखता रहूं।
जोकर।
परदेसी जाना नहीं, परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं, मुझे छोड़ के परदेसी मेरे यारा वादा निभाना, तुम याद रखना कहीं भूल न जाना।
परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं, मुझे छोड़ के
हर पल मेरी याद तुम्हें तड़पाएगी, मैं जागूंगा नींद तुम्हें ना आएगी। हर पल मेरी याद तुम्हें तड़पाएगी, मैं जागूंगा नींद तुम्हें ना आएगी। छोड़ के ऐसे हाल में जो तुम जाओगे, सच कहता हूँ जान बहुत पछताओगे।
परदेसी मेरे यारा, मुझे ना रुलाना, तुम याद रखना कहीं भूल न जाना।
परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं, परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं। मुझे छोड़ के परदेसी मेरे यारा, वादा निभाना, मुझे याद रखना कहीं भूल न जाना।
परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं,
मुझे छोड़ के।
Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Blind Kev, a blind person, but I have help in every single way. So I've got somebody talking in my ears telling me exactly about Sahara Beach. Okay, so I'm trying to point out the disability access as well on Sahara Beach, and it's very, very good because it's all on one level. So yeah, we're gonna walk down to the beach. First of all, lovely sunny morning this was, a couple of weeks ago. But yeah, on the right hand side we have the showers in a second, which is where you come off the beach, you can wash the sand off your feet, etc., and you can do whatever you want. The shower's there on the right hand side. There's a shop on the right which sells all your inflatables and stuff like that. That's open most days. Go around the corner and then you go to, if you stayed left, you then go to where they do breakfast. They do outside barbecues, etc., down there at the bar. Down to 51, bar 51. This is a paid restaurant where they got some fantastic food. You get your steaks there, you get anything you want, you can get there. You get your cocktails, which are very reasonable priced. Very, very nice. That's it, bar 51 that's called, which is on the pier at the end of this wooden platform. We spent 3 weeks here, 21 nights. Very, very good priced. Really nice. Well, we've been going there for a long time now, so we know exactly how it is. On the right hand side you have your water sports, which with your water sports you have to pay from. That is one of the things. It's not expensive. It's about, I think it was 80 dinar to go on the parasailing and jet skis and stuff like that, and so but it's not massively expensive. Yeah, that's 80 dinars, so that works to be about 20-30 pound, I think. So yes, you have a walk around the beach to start with. We go up to the to where we call the beach bar. The beach bar's got an all-inclusive bar as well, where they do food, etc. It's really good. They do have these, we call them beds, where you can sit down. You can book the beds from the main restaurant in the beach bar. You can book them from there. They don't cost a lot of money for an all-dayer. There isn't that many of them anyway, so but you can book them from the main restaurant manager who sits just inside this building we're coming into now. So this is the restaurant. This is called a beach bar restaurant. It's got the bar in it. They do your barbecue food over dinner time. It opens at 12 o'clock till 2:30, but there's food on all the time, so that's part of all the inclusive. And as you can see, it's all flat. There's no steps, there's no awkwardness, there's no tripping up anything. You know, it's the paths are very, very good. So if you're wheelchair bound, you ain't got to worry about nothing whatsoever. You can always get round. It's not a problem. So going back towards now, back towards the hotel itself, there's 3 towers altogether at Saba Beach. They only use the 2 towers, block 1, block 2, and there's block 3, but not block 3 hasn't been used for a long time now, not even before COVID. So kids area on the left hand side, you've got some swings and slides and a little bit of kiddie playground. As you can see, it's all flat. There are no issues whatsoever of any steps or anything which is going to cause you any grief. So every bar has a slope, and it does have steps as well, but every bar does have a slope to it, which is really easy. So on the right hand side you have a all-inclusive bar which opens at 10 o'clock in the morning. And then if you go left, as you can see, it's up a little tiny slope, and that will take you to we call it the family pool, which is for younger kids. It's not very deep. It's got a couple of things in it. It's got a waterfall, etc. It's a nice pool, this is, but it's not massively deep. It's ideal from 1 to, I guess, 6. Maybe younger, maybe a bit younger than that, actually, to be fair. You have all the recycling boxes, a hell of a lot around, so please use them. They try to keep it as tidy as possible, and they really do well for the recycling and stuff. Yeah, that's we call it the family pool, which you got to get up early to get out of bed. It's one of them things you've got to get up early. As simple as that. And they do put the sponges on your bed early in the morning. You just need to go down and put your towels out if you want a decent spot. And a lot of people do get up early just to put towels out, which sometimes I think it's pointless, but yeah. So as we walk around the family pool, we're going to go out at the bottom and we're going to go up to the top bar. So we turn left and we're going to go up to the top bar now. As you can see, it's all flat. There ain't no problem whatsoever with wheelchairs or any other ability to get to all the stuff. There's no steps, there's nothing to worry about. It's all flat, it's all happy. So on the left is a family pool still. It's pretty big. So we're going to go up a slope now. This is a slope going up to the top bar. This bar, they do burgers, your paninis, your pizzas, chips, etc. This bar does all your snacks at daytime, and it's open from 12. The bar's open at 10, but the food's open from 12 till, I'm sure it's 5. But this is where you can get your burgers and your pizzas and etc. and paninis and stuff like that. There is a bar there, which is, again, it's all inclusive, so that's where they get all the bits on the left. As you can see, there is a slope going up into the bar area, so again, no issues whatsoever. What they've stopped this year, you cannot take food away from the bar area. You have to sit down in there and eat it. It's a new rule and they brought in for 2025, because we used to be able to go up there, get some food and bring it down to your bed, but they've stopped it now. You have to eat the food up there in the top bar. Another pool here, which is very nice pool. It gets very hot up here. It's a really big sun trap. Does get very hot. I think it's 1.4 meters deep, that pool is. So back down the slope, as you can see, access is perfect. So we're going to go around to the left and we will show you the gate to the slides, etc. Aqua Park. I think it was closed. Yes, it was closed. I've just been told in my ear. Yes, it was closed, so we couldn't go in there and film. It's a shame, really, because it's a very good park. It's great fun for kids and adults. Some great slides, and yeah, it's really good fun. So as you can see, it's not very far away at the top of the venue. They do close for lunch. I think they close it at 12 till 1:30, I think, or 12 till 1. They do actually close it, so it gives the lifeguards a chance to get a bit of snap and stuff like that. But yeah, unfortunately it was closed, so we couldn't really go and have a look around. But yep, again, it's all easy. There's no massive queues. There's no. It's very good. It runs pretty well, to be fair. It runs pretty well. And you've got lifeguards there and everything, so you know your children's safe. Walking back down now towards the main part of the hotel. We just come up here, we're just walking back down now. There is toilets. There's quite a few toilets available. There's one on the beach bar. Well, there's big toilets on the beach bar. And please like and subscribe. I've got more to come. Thank you.